Good morning everyone. Your science teacher Mananda Kaur is here with your next chapter, that is Forest or Lifeline. Basically this chapter comes under biology, the study of living organisms and things. Well, in this chapter we will learn about forest as the habitat of many trees and animals, layers in a forest, important forest produce and importance of forest in our lives. Students, forests are an important natural resource, so called the green lungs of the nature. It is the home to a variety of the living things like trees, shrubs, mosses, birds, mammals, reptiles and microbes. Many trees like teak, simal, shisham, amla, bamboo and kachnar etc. grow in forests. In our country, about 21.34% of the geographical area is covered with forests. Even many animals like bisons, elephants, tigers, lions, etc. also live in jungles. A forest also protects small animals from predators by acts as camouflage, means helps in blending in organisms with their surroundings. Further, before proceeding to the next topic, I want to make you familiar with different shapes of crowns in trees. Children, different branches of a tree make its crown. In different trees, crowns are having different shapes, like pyramidal in deodar cedar, full crown in maple, vase crown in hawthorn, fountain shaped in palm tree, spreading crown in oak tree, layered crown in banyan tree, columnar in poplar, and weeping crown in willow trees. Now further about different layers in a forest. According to the height of the trees, forests are divided into 4 different layers, that are emergent layer, canopy, understory, and forest floor. First of all, emergent layer. This layer is made by the tallest trees of about 200 feet above the forest floor. These are broad-leaved. Generally, kapok and the Brazil nut are the common trees of this layer. Mostly eagles, monkeys, bats and the butterflies are found in this layer. Afterwards, canopy layer. Crowns of several trees make canopy. This is the primary layer and forms a roof over the remaining 2 layers. The trees of this layer have oval-shaped leaves. Many animals like snakes, toucans, and the tree frogs live in this layer. Next is understory layer. This is the lower layer of the forest. It is composed of herbs and shrubs. This layer does not get proper sunlight. Joggers and red-eyed tree frogs and insects found in this layer. The last and the lowest layer is the forest floor. It is dark, damp and full of the dead leaves and dead plants. Many insects, bugs, decomposers like bacteria resides here. The fallen leaves provide food and shelter to them. This layer is rich in humus. After this, we will discuss about the important things provided by the forest. Like some trees such as bamboo are used in making furniture, baskets and ladders. We get timber from sal, mahogany, teak and the rosewood trees. We get raw material to make paper, plywood, cardboard from the trees. We get many fruits and dry fruits from the forest like mango, coconut, orange, pear, lychee, etc. Many trees such as neem, amla are used for making Ayurvedic medicines. Lemongrass, kebra and the khas trees are used to get essential oils. Forests are also the source of resins that are used to make the paint, latex that is used to make the rubber. Moreover, we get fibers from cotton, jute, linen and the flax trees. This was all about the valuable things that we get from forests. Further, you know all that we depend on trees for our survival, like for food and air to breathe. So forests play a very important roles in our lives. Like these helps in maintaining water cycle on earth by regulating precipitation and evaporation. Trees pull water from the soil and release it in atmosphere through the pores in their leaves by the process of transpiration. The water vapors rises in the atmosphere and condenses to form the clouds and bring rain. Afterwards, trees help in recharging groundwater, as the roots of the trees make soil porous and the rainwater seeps down through these pores. Moreover, forests also preserve our environment by balancing the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide on earth, as green plants absorb the carbon dioxide released by the animals and utilize it to make food by the process of photosynthesis and release oxygen in atmosphere. So that's why forests are called the green lungs. Moreover, by absorbing carbon dioxide, plant maintain the temperature of the earth and prevent soil global warming, as it is the process by which some greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide increase the temperature of the earth. at an exceeding rate. So plants absorb carbon dioxide released by us and maintain the temperature on Earth. One more important role played by the forest is to prevent soil erosion, as the roots of the tree hold the soil particles firmly and prevents the erosion of the soil by wind and water, so indirectly prevents and soil erosion and conserve our soil. Well students, this was all about today's class. I am going to end this class here. I hope the lesson will be beneficial for you. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.